I have, this is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Ito mga BMW. And today we're gonna replace the taillights and headlights. So let's get to it. So there's two bolts that we need to remove. Then this should pop right off. Alright, so this is the old one. We do have the new one. This is the one. Knows how you do it. So don't take out the plastic. Take out the plastic once you install everything. Since this one has a cab, I'm gonna use its harness. Don't want to mess it up. Don't make it hard for you. So just take the bulbs out. This one has a cab, so somebody already did the harness. I don't want to mess up the harness too, so I'm gonna take out the entire harness, use the entire harness, install it to the new one. So the top one is the turn signal light. So if y'all want to replace the turn signal light, it's the top one. The middle one is the reverse. The middle one is the parking light. Then the last one is the reverse light. So once I got all the harness, all we need to do, pop it right back in. And put the bolts, align the bolt. There you go. See the difference? Beautiful, my guy, beautiful. All right, we're gonna do the other side then. Same thing we did. Matter of fact, I think there's only 2 bolts. So we'll stop at this one, the harness is just the same, so we're just gonna unplug the harness on the bottom one, or the big one. We're just gonna unplug this harness, just press the tab and pull the plug. Then just plug it in. I'm just double checking right now. I go reverse. Reverse. Alright. Third signal. Alright, it's good. Other side. Go headlight. Headlight. Alright, it's good.